So how much money I was able to earn as a Skillshare instructor in 6-month period. So let's find out. So okay, it's been 6 months since I've been a Skillshare instructor. I have already uploaded a 3-month report on Skillshare. You can check it out in the card right here. You can check it out if you want. If you want to know more about the first 3 months of me being instructor on Skillshare. Plus, if you are interested on me being instructor on Udemy, how much money I earn on Udemy, you can check out the video as well right in here. And today we're gonna go through my earnings through the Skillshare. We're gonna be going through both premium minutes, like minutes watched, and we're gonna go through the referrals as well. Plus, we're gonna discuss some earnings disparities and stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let me just fire up the computer and just jump right into it. So okay, we are here. We have everything right here. I have everything running up like normal, and we have earned $931 overall for the 6 months. So I've been doing Skillshare instructor thing from the September of 2019. So it's September, October, November, December, January, and February. So today is 17th of March, the day of recording, because the earnings for the February has been through on the 16th of March. So yeah, it's all the 6-month revenue report, so including from September to February. And yeah, I'm gonna show you exact numbers. What do I mean? These numbers are for March, and you can see it's already pretty good. I have already 2,000 premium watch minutes, which is very good for the March. But yeah, we're not gonna go through these numbers. This total earn is money for the 6 month. This is not including the March earnings, not at all. But the students and minutes watch and reviews are including everything to date, like until today, no, until the yesterday, because the results of the Skillshare, the analytics, is being updated once a day. So let's just jump to the numbers. So we have 3 dates, with 3 months that we have gone through. We have earnings in December. I mean, the first, let's go to the minutes watched. In December, it was 2,900 minutes, to be exact, 2,907 premium minutes watched. We're gonna ignore the total minutes watched for now. In January will be it was 3,048 premium minutes watched, and in February was 3,377 minutes watched. As you can see, it is still growing. The growth is not as fast as it was before. If you remember it from previous video, if you've seen it, of course. If you haven't seen it, you can again check it out if you want. The growth is not as fast, but still it's a gradual and steady growth for the past few months at least. I don't know if the March will be more than February. I'm not sure about this, but we shall see in the future this. As for the students, yeah, weird enough, the February has less students than January, despite February had more watch time. But yeah, that's not really important. Watch time is more important for the money made than the amount of students. And let's just go to the money and just go through the stuff. As you can see, in February I earned $244.83. In January I earned $166.59, and in December I earned $229.77. This is total earned including royalties, so meaning that royalties overall was $811 and premium referrals is $120. So let's go through the royalties first and why those numbers are such a big difference. I'm gonna go through those first, why the numbers are going up and down, and then we're gonna go through the premium referrals. I'm gonna talk a bit about premium referrals as well. So in December I had earned $209 with let me just check, 2,907 minutes. So it was the most that I ever earned for the just royalties, and this was because Skillshare paid the most amount of money per minutes watched ever for me, because before that it was around 6 cents per minutes watched. In December it was more than 7 minutes at 7 cents. I think it was like 7.5 or something like that. So it was the most amount of money paid per minute watched. That's why I earned that much money in December. In January was absolutely opposite thing. In January it was the least amount of money that Skillshare has paid for the minute watch. It was around 5.1 cents, something like that. So it was the least. If before the December it was around 6 cents, on December it was 7. In January it was a little more than the 5 cents. So as you can see, despite on January I have having more views than in December, a little bit more views, not much more, a little more views, like around 150 minutes watch, more minutes watched, I earned $50 less. So that's how big of a difference 2 cents make per minutes watched. I earned only $156.59 from the royalties in January. In February February I had the most amount of minutes watched, so it's compared to December, it's like around 400 minutes more, maybe more. No, it's around 400 minutes more in February, and the royalties were $174. Not as much, still not as much as December, because despite being a bit higher than the January's income, it still was around 5 cents. It was like 5.19, something like that, so around 5.2. So it was still less. This happened because the Skillshare gave us information that a lot of new students are coming in January and February, and a lot of them are on the trials, and the trials are not being paid, as far as I understand. As far as I understand from what they wrote, I don't know if they're hiding something, and if they're paying for the trial minutes less, I don't know. But yeah, you can watch the video if you want. I will have it again in the card above. I made a video about this, and that's why in January and February it was the least amount of money I made from royalties. What Skillshare said, that on March the amount of income should increase, because the people who were on trial in January and February will become paying customers in March. So yeah, it would increase on March. I don't know, I'm not sure. We're gonna see it by the end of the March, but again, I'm doing this every 3 months, so we're gonna check the future results in around June or July, something like that. We're gonna check the results in June or July. And your overall $811, pretty good income. It's very close to the Udemy income. Actually, it's very close from the royalty, and overall total earn, it's very close. I basically earn exactly the same amount of money from Udemy and Skillshare, almost the same. There's Udemy's as well, at around $900 something. But the Udemy has one very interesting thing, which is premium referrals, and the premium referrals allowed me to just top off the results of December's in February, despite February being one of the worst months in the year. So I got 7 referrals in February, and 7 referrals gave me $70. So that was pretty significant increase, and this allowed me to go to $244. I'm working on different methods on how you can gain as many referrals as possible. Unfortunately, I'm not ready to give out the information about it yet, because I'm still experimenting with it. Yeah, despite increasing of the premium referrals at once, I'm not sure what caused it. Despite me implementing few different strategies, I'm not sure what caused it. This might be due to my YouTube channel becoming a bit larger, because this YouTube channel is actually one of the channels that is promoting videos, promoting my Skillshare courses. Not directly, just in the descriptions. You can see it if you want in the description down below, and that's why maybe it's coming from them. Maybe because my viewership is increasing, that's why my referrals is increasing. I'm not sure again, and I will have to do a few more experiments, few more tests before I will be ready to give out the results, how to get premium referrals. It will be coming, be sure of that. I will be doing how you can earn more premium referrals as soon as I will have a real results. I'm not talking about the theories and BS that many people are posting that are not using these results, the methods. I will do only when I'm sure that these things works for me, and then of course I will post it when it will work for you, at least in my opinion. So again, one thing that I'm not sure about premium referrals is that when you are being paid the premium referrals money, when the person will sign up using your link, meaning that when he's on trial or after the trial ends and he will become a paying customer. I am not sure when this is the case, because I'm tracking the link clicks of my referral links. I'm still not sure. I have much more clicks on my referral links than I have, let's say, the premium referral. So I'm not sure when you are being paid $10. I will have to work on this, and maybe I'll ask Skillshare as well if they will answer it. Of course, hopefully they will answer it. This was it for today. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video will give you a good understanding how this regular Skillshare instruction stuff is working. By the way, I haven't uploaded a single course on Skillshare since November 2019. So this money is coming on itself. After that, of course, I'm doing a bit of promotions and a bit of talking about my courses, etc. But I haven't uploaded any courses since then. Probably March will be the month where I'll upload my course since November. First course month since November, but I will try to go as many courses as I can in March and in April, and I think it will show in results in June or July or something like that. So yeah, this was it for today. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe for more videos like this one, and guys, I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.